Hello foodies, Ganpati festival is here and we cannot go without making modak. So today's special dish is Ukadiche Modak, which is steamed modak. This is made out of rice flour, jaggery. So let's start with the recipe. To make modak stuffing, we need 3 cups of freshly grated coconut, 1.5 cups of jaggery, 1 tablespoon of pure ghee, and 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. It is really simple. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee, add grated coconut, this is the store-bought shredded coconut. Time to add 1.5 cups of jaggery, or jaggery as per your taste. Typically the proportion is jaggery will be half of the shredded coconut. Mix this well. Okay, my jaggery is all melted. This is about in 5 minutes. We are not cooking it, we just have to wait till the jaggery melts and water, if any, evaporates. So now I see this is done. Okay, my coconut jaggery mixture is cooling off. This will be the stuffing for our modak recipe. So I'm going to add cardamom powder. That's 1 tablespoon. Mix this well and keep it aside. I have soaked some saffron strands in warm water. You can also use warm milk. This is only for decoration. You can totally skip this ingredient. Let's move on to the modak covering. For that we need 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of water, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of ghee. And this is the magical ingredient in the modak recipe. This is tapioca. This is about 2 tablespoons of tapioca. I'm going to grind the tapioca with some of the rice flour. Tapioca is going to give us the great binding. We need to make sure that our dough is really firm and it's soft, and it should not have any cracks when we make the modak. So that's gonna help us binding the rice flour. Sometimes rice flour is not that sticky, but this secretive magical ingredient is going to help us. Of course, the way I'm going to show you is how to make modak on your hand, but there are like 2 molds. You can definitely buy it in the store. Like I have 2 molds, one is plastic, one is metal. So this is the shape of modak. It's easy to make the shape of modak identically, so that's why the modak mold is. But if you don't have this, you can. I'm going to show you how to make with the help of your hands. So let's get started. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Make sure the water and rice flour proportion is equal. Let's add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pure ghee. That's going to give us that beautiful flavor and that extra softness to the dough. So let's bring this to boil, and once the water is boiled, I'm going to add 1 cup of rice flour. While my water is boiling, I'm going to grind the tapioca with some rice flour and make a smooth powder. So as you can see, I've added 3 tablespoons of rice flour and 2 tablespoons of tapioca. Let's grind this and mix it well. Alright, so now it's cooling off for about 10 minutes. Let's see. have to take this out in a pan. Let's make the dough out of it. This is really hot, and the trick for the soft dough is we have to, while it's hot, like we have to make a dough while it's hot. So since I cannot put my hand in there yet, I'm trying to get the mixture soften a little bit so that I can use my hand to form a dough. So get a bowl or something like that. As you can see, it's not sticking to the pan anymore. So keep it covered for about 5 minutes and we will start making the modak. Alright, so my dough is ready now. So I've gotten like lemon size round balls. I have 10 of them there. So grease your hands with the butter or ghee and try to massage this ball and make it extra soft. Alright, so make a ball with the flat, using your palms, just flatten this out. And now the pressure with your 3 fingers and your thumb, you are going to press this around the side. You will see no cracks in this dough when you spread this out. So like this, just press it along. Alright, so I have made all the modaks here. You see, these are all from the modak mold. That one was from the plastic one, and this one was the seal one. So just the different shapes, and that one was from the hand. So let's go move on to the next step. So now I have a vessel here, and I have a strainer just like that, and I've added muslin cloth here. In the pot I have added water to steam. So we are going to steam it now. You can skip the muslin cloth, but if you have it, just use it so that it won't stick. So sometimes in traditional way we have turmeric leaves or banana leaves. You can have it instead of this cloth. So I'm going to steam them for about 15 minutes and cover it with the lid, and the modak will be ready. So with 1 cup of rice flour, I could make about 10 modak, this size of 10 modak. So that's the proportion you could note. And of course, if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.